Proven ways of making money online. What does making money online mean to you? How does making money online sound to you? Here's how one chap responded. It's the ultimate dream, make tons of money from your living room, staying dressed in my pajamas all day, working according to my own schedule, with no one telling me what to do. Sounds great, doesn't it? But if that's what you think making money online is all about, you're in for a rude awakening. On the other hand, if you're skeptical and think there's no way anyone could possibly make real money online, then I'm pleased to inform you that you're actually very wrong. In the midst of the many deafening messages about making money online, I bring to you a series on real and proven ways of making money online. In this video, I'll start with one of them. Number 1 on my list of proven ways of making lasting income online is e-commerce business. Now, hear this. Over many generations, fortunes in the business world were made through buying and selling products in physical stores or markets. In contemporary times, huge fortunes are being made through buying and selling products online. E-commerce, which is actually electronic commerce, is the buying and selling of goods and services over an electronic network, which is primarily the internet. These business transactions occur either as business to business, B2B, business to consumer, B2C, consumer to consumer, or consumer to business. The term e-commerce and e-business are often used interchangeably. How does e-commerce work? E-commerce is powered by the internet. Customers access an online store to browse through and place orders for products or services via their own devices, which could be phones, tablets or computers. It is the regular buying and selling, but this just happens on the internet. It is increasingly dominating global commerce. It is no longer a wonder to shop on the internet and have purchases delivered at your doorstep. So, instead of renting a shop and stocking it, e-commerce simply gives you an alternative, which is using the internet. All you need to do is find a marketplace, sign up and post your products. You're good to go. Just for your information, anytime you buy something online, you're actually patronizing somebody involved in e-commerce business. So, are you interested in the buying and selling business? What can you sell? You can make a lot of money, just like many around the world, not needing any job for a lifetime, doing e-commerce. All you need to do is to find e-commerce platform services in your country or domain. Nowadays, there are a number of them scattered around the various countries of the world. So, you'll definitely find some in your country of residence. Internationally recognized vendors offering e-commerce platform services for clients hosting their own online store include the following. From any part of the world, you could actually register, set up your own store with these outfits and start selling to customers around the world. If you're based in West Africa, that is, countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Liberia, Cameroon, Benin Republic, etc., the following are some of the most prominent outfits offering e-commerce platforms that you can use. Jumia, Konga, Gigi. Subsequently, I will find and share a number of other ones with you, as long as I can guarantee their credibility. Now, let me quickly state here that e-commerce is not such a complex thing. As have already been said, it is simply the same old trade of buying and selling. The only difference here is that it's done online. So, it is not a rule that you must register or use popular or notable e-commerce platforms. You can actually conduct this business on your own using your social media. Nowadays, people around the world are using WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and the likes to sell their products and services to audience within and outside their country of residence. If you have a huge or maybe just a sizable contact list on WhatsApp, or a decent following on Facebook and Instagram, that is a huge asset. You can begin to explore that, turning your audience or following into customers. All you need to do is register with a delivery outfit that will help in delivering purchases to customers. Of course, you may have to learn latest techniques of doing that. But trust me, it's not something difficult. I'll be getting into some of them in subsequent videos. The purpose of an e-commerce platform like Amazon, Alibaba, Shopify, Jumia, etc., is to enable you have access to a huge potential customer base. But if you already have a market you can target, then that's great. You can start with that and probably use notable e-commerce sites much later. You may never actually need them. With the much said so far, you can get started with your e-commerce business already. Do make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, as I will be producing more content subsequently, on specific details on how to register and promote your products for sales on some of the e-commerce platforms or any other method stated here. Feel free to ask questions regarding the much that had been said here. Drop your comments in the comment section. I will be waiting to hear from you.